Hello everyone, this is Daniel, the movie guy, back here with another video. Today I got Star Wars A New Hope on Blu-ray, the 2019 edition. I didn't get the DVD version, but hopefully I will soon. Scenes from the movie, everything, slipcover. New Hope. Spine. Got a purple this time for New Hope. We got red for Revenge of the Sith. Take the shrink wrap off. Here's the Blu-ray. There's the disc, which has Leia and R2-D2. So, yep. It's one of my favorite Star Wars films, but not as much with The Empire Strikes Back and Return of the Jedi, which I pretty much like more than A New Hope, but still, I love this movie. Well guys, that wraps it up for Star Wars A New Hope DVD unboxing, and I'll see you guys later.